Welcome to Unleashing Your Creative Spark, a beginner's guide to starting a YouTube channel. Are you ready to share your passions with the world? Let's dive in. First, find your niche. What topics are you most passionate about? Whether it's gaming, fashion, or cooking, choose something that genuinely excites you. This will keep you motivated throughout your YouTube journey. Next, it's time to brainstorm your content. What kind of videos will you create? Will it be tutorials, vlogs, or product reviews? Take some time to define your content format and create a content calendar to stay organized. Now, let's talk about gear. While you don't need to invest in expensive equipment right away, having a decent camera and microphone is essential for quality content. Start with what you have and upgrade as you grow. Speaking of filming, let's discuss lighting and backgrounds. Ensure you have good lighting by either filming near a window or investing in affordable lighting kits. As for backgrounds, choose a space that represents your persona and is visually pleasing. Editing is a crucial step in creating engaging videos. Learn the basics of video editing software or try free online platforms to enhance your footage. Experiment with different techniques and make your videos stand out. Remember, engaging with your audience is vital. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create a community around your content. This will foster loyalty among your subscribers and help your channel grow. Now, how do you get discovered? Promote your videos on social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Collaborate with other YouTubers to expand your reach and attract new subscribers. Lastly, keep track of your progress. YouTube Analytics provides valuable insights into your viewership, watch time, and subscriber growth. Utilize this data to improve your content and optimize your channel. Thanks for watching Unleashing Your Creative Spark, a beginner's guide to starting a YouTube channel. We hope this video has inspired you to embark on your YouTube journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Happy creating!